So, good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining topics of this chapter. Okay, so in our last class we have discussed about home button. Okay, we have discussed about home button, refresh button, and other buttons. So, today we will discuss about this search bar, home button, and other things like adding bookmarks and all. So, what is a home button? See, every time you start up the web browser, it shows a web page called the home or what start page. Okay, so every time you start the web browser, it shows a page called home page or start page. Okay, so home button helps us to return to the home page. Okay, now see what is a search bar. See, this is a search bar. Okay, here you can search your uh, what to say queries. Okay, suppose you want to search a movie or you want to search a application like Facebook, so you will use search here. Okay, so what is a search bar? Whichever web page you are currently visiting, if you do not have to leave it and go, like search a website Google, Bing, Yahoo to search for an item. So these are search engine like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and what another is also there, duckduckgo.com. Okay, so most of the browsers have a built-in search bar for performing web searches. So there is a search bar for performing web searches. This is your search bar. Okay, so what is a search bar? The search bar is a handy search box where you can type keywords. Okay, so here you can type the different keywords. Okay, that we are searching and press enter. If you press enter, then that search engine will show you the particular word that you have already what searched. Okay, now see the results of the search appear after clicking on enter or clicking on this magnifying glass over there. Yeah, it will appear the search that you have already typed over here. Okay, so see, we can choose the search engine that we want to use by clicking down the arrow button, which drop down list of available search engines. So there are some available search engines. Okay, so these are the available search engine. You will click on this drop down button, see magnifying glass, and right, so there is a different search options there. So you will use using this search. Okay, now our next topic is adding bookmarks. Okay, how will you add bookmarks? How will you add bookmarks? See, if you want to find a page you like and think you want to come back, suppose YouTube. Okay, you watch videos on YouTube, right? You will watch my videos also YouTube, so you can save it as a bookmark. The YouTube algorithm will save, not the YouTube algorithm, your computer will show it in a particular place. Okay, bookmarks, and it will appear as a star. Okay, now see, if you find a web page like we think, or you want to come back to it, we can add it to our what bookmark section. Okay, also known as what favorites. Okay, so see, whenever you want to visit that web page, we just scroll through the bookmarks and click on it. So you will scroll through the bookmarks. Okay, see, there are different steps over here, I will explain. So you will scroll through the bookmarks and you will what click on it. Okay, in Internet Explorer we can add a bookmark by clicking favorites and add to favorites. So this is the option of Internet Explorer. See, so how will you add a bookmark? So to add a bookmark, we will be clicking to favorites icon. See, you will click on the favorites icon, then add to favorites. You will select this. See, name of the website is Welcome to Central Board of Secondary Education, that is your CBSE. Okay, so you will create it in your favorites folder, that is your bookmark. You will click on add and it will be added. Okay, now see, in Firefox to add a web page to bookmark, so this is a step, this was a step for Internet Explorer. Okay, figure 4.10 was the step of Internet Explorer, and this is the step of what your Mozilla Firefox. So see, in Firefox what we will do, in Firefox to add a web page to bookmarks, we will follow steps 1 to 3. So you will follow these steps 1 to 3. So step number 1, click on bookmarks on menu bar. So you will go to your menu bar. Okay, this is your menu bar, and you will click on see bookmark option. Okay, click on bookmarks this page option. So you will click on bookmarks this page option. See, bookmark this page option, you will click on this. Okay, now step number 3, a message box appears. Okay, we click on done and add the web page to our collection of bookmarks. Okay, so a message box appears, it is given in figure 1.13. see, this is our web page. Type in some other name you want to, wish to change the name. So here you can change the name if you want to. Okay, so you can change the name, and this is the folder bookmarks menu. Choose a folder and click on done. Your bookmarks will be what saved. Okay, now see, we can also change the name with which the bookmark is sorry, bookmark is saved by typing the new name in the name box. Okay, so you can type any new name over here. Suppose you want to change this YouTube to what, you want to save this as my video, so you can change this over here. Clear? So you can also change the name with which the bookmark is saved by typing the new name in the name box. We can also save the bookmark in any other folder. You can also save it in any other folder or a new folder, so that the bookmarks are organized in a particular way or a proper way. So see, these are the bookmarks. See, these are the bookmarks. Okay, it is organized in a way. We can also save the bookmark in any other folder or a new folder, so that the bookmarks are organized in a proper way. Okay, now see, after indicating the name and the folder, click on done. So you will click on this name and select the folder, you will click on this done option and your bookmark will be saved. Clear? In Mozilla Firefox, to visit the web page which added to the bookmarks, we click on bookmarks in the menu bar. So how will you now access the bookmarks? Okay, the page you have saved, now you want to access it. So to visit a web page which is already added to the bookmarks, now this is the web page which is already added in the bookmarks. So we will click on this bookmark. We click on bookmarks in the menu bar, a list of bookmarks already saved by us. So these are the list of bookmarks that are being already saved by us. Okay, opens up. So this opens up. Clear? We click on the name of the web page that you want to visit, and that web page opens on the screen. So you will click on the name on the web page. See, idioms and phrases, school website entrance. You will click on this and the web page will appear. Click on the name of the web page that you want to visit, and that web page opens up on the screen. So this web page, see, has been opened up on the screen. Okay, so if the name on the see, you click on the name on the web page that you want to visit, and the web page opens up on the screen. See, if the name is in the folder, choose the folder, then the name of the web page. So you will choose the folder, and inside the folder there is a name of the web page. So you just simply click on it. This is the figure 1.4. See, simply click on it and your web page will be opened. See, this web page just open over here. Okay, in Internet Explorer, we click on favorite menus and click on the page that you have already added to the favorites. Okay, so in Internet Explorer, we click on favorites option. See, this is our Internet Explorer. You click on favorite option, and these are the web pages that are being saved over here. So you click on this and your web page will get what? Opened. Okay, students. Now see, history. So there is a history. Sometimes whenever you browse the internet for a time, some time, their history gets saved. Means your history on the different website that you have visited, it gets saved, so that even after you want to access that particular web page, you can just click on this button, or there is a button over here, and you can see the history. You no need to type it again. You will just click on it from the history, and that web page will get open. So see, sometimes we wish to get back to the web page we liked, but we do not remember its URL. So this is the URL. Okay, you do not remember the website address. So you will just click on history and click on the previous website that one visited, that will be saved over here. So you simply click it from here, and you will be able to browse the internet on that particular web page. Okay, also at sometimes you forget to add it to the favorites. Sometimes you also forget to add the bookmark, this web page to bookmark. So we can easily search it from history tab. Okay, in such case we may be able to find it using the history tab. See, in such case we will be able to find it using the history tab feature of the browser. So in this history tab you will find this. Okay, it lists all the web pages that you have visited recently. So you have visited my MSN radio station guide and CBSC or Thapar University. Okay, so you can click it the web page that you have visited before. Now you want to visit that web page again, so you will click on here, you select from history, you select the web page from here, and you click on it, and that web page will be open. Usually web page stay in the history for a certain number of days. So there are certain number of days for which web page gets saved in the history tab. Okay, so that was all of today's class, students. Please go through the video, and if you have anything confusing, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you.